I feel not the man who has traded 10,000 shares, but I feel the man who has traded a few analysis shares 10,000 times. Hello dear investors and Homely members, welcome to HomilyChart. Here we go to the number 5 session. So today is October the 9th, Wednesday. I'm the speaker, MG. So this program is specially designed for Malaysian investors to learn tactical analysis, let you know the investment strategy for the current market, the pattern of bullish share, and the movement of bankers in the chart. So I hope you make progress every day with down-to-earth mindset. Then you will achieve sustainable and stable profits from the market soon. So let's take a review of the last session first. We shared the topic or the opportunities arise in the fall. Yes. So what is the opportunities shares? We talked about the strong shares model in the current market. We're going to take a little bit review and 3 conditions, right? Their bankers is trying to enter in with their buying point period, and also best to have their bankers start to get involved. So if you want to know the details, you can click the link below to check the last session. And now we can also check some bullish, some strong shares that are still going up recently. So Uzma is the one we shared in last session. So after we viewed last time, it's still continue increasing, right? And then the 8966 Pronexis, after we shared last week till now, another 10% profits. And also include 5133 petre energy. Petre energy is still increasing, but and we will also talk about this share later. And 0185 HSS. And last time, after we find the buy point till now, already make 7.2% profit. So and we also got some investors have made money on the basis of this method. Here is an investors. He's filtered this share a keyword. And today he made 10k, right? 10k profits within 1 day with the method, with our method. So, and also he get another good share 0208 with the price of 1.13 and also make money. And then he also got another 2 shares, strong shares, 0116 5257, right? So it's good news. And we are also very happy to hear this news. And this happens every day in our Homilys members. Okay, so I'm sharing, and also we can tell you, from the picture. So we're sharing above with these strong shares and their investments experience, not because, not recommending the shares to you, because these cases you see have all gone up, and they may not be suitable buying points now, right? So the goal, the purpose is to show that the next bull you won't miss out if you master this method, if you master this tactic we are sharing. Okay, so okay, let's start with our today's topic. Today's topic is we share the topic today is what kind of the oil stocks can be bought. So at the beginning, why I want to explain why I want to talk about this sector. Okay, we can start with the pros and cons of the oil gas sector. Okay, the oil stock investing pros. Okay, these shares have high profit margins, right? So oil exploration is a high capital expenditure business. So when oil reserves are in production, a well could provide revenue streams for 20, so even 50 years. So profit margins on a productive well are still high, and then the steady dividends, which is suitable for many fundamental investments, but actually how to say, if you know how to read the charts with the tactical analysis, you will make far more profits compared to these dividends. And then the tax advantages. Many energy investment vehicles provide tax advantages. One is a master limited partnership, and some others also, okay, and also the diversification. When oil and gas prices are high, the economy may experience slower growth and due to the higher cost to run business. So transportation and residents will be, how to say, have a battle against an economic slowdown, and also have some coins, okay, some coins, investing coins. For example, the volatile oil price. The oil price fluctuates in responding to the numerous business cycle and some factors. So market dynamics can make it difficult to predict when oil price have bottomed or peaked. Okay, you should be careful if you're not skilled in short-term trading, and also it have high risk exploration. Exploration is a high, how to say, a promised reserve can end up being a dry hole. So on the other hand, technology can bring too much success advancements in energy reserve extraction, such as fracking, have leads to record reserve levels and put downward press on the prices. So I believe we can all find the reasons to do the oil stocks, and then why today we talk about this topic. So actually, not everyone can make the money out of this sector, right? First of all, let's take a look about the energy sector of Malaysia. So we can take a look about this energy sector, the weekly chart. You can see this weekly chart is still in downtrend. Okay, still in downtrend. Not as good as everyone thinks, right? So even in the daily chart, we can see some. For example, this is the daily chart of crude oil. So you see, in this day, September 4th, the attack on the Saudi Arabia oil facility stimulated a global oil price, but later it dropped down again, right? Dropped down to this original trend, and then now the oil price was caught in a triangle pattern, and a new direction is will be chosen after it break up this pattern. So we need to be still very careful. But actually, there are still many investors make money in the oil price, in the oil stocks. That is why. What is the reason? So actually, they will combine their method. Few of other investors will use. So actually, they will check their movement of the bankers. Okay, when their stocks start to goes up. So where we can see the movement of the bankers, so we can take a look according to the Homily survey. There's the MCD indicator. We call it multicolored dragons, and we can see it's easy to track the movement of the bankers. The red chips is their one. Okay, the red chip represents the operation of their funds of their bankers, and at the same time, their green chips represents the retailers, people who lose money. So we need to the only thing we need to do is follow the bankers, and then we can make a steady profit. So let's take a look about their whole operation of the bankers chart, and later we will follow. We'll check their oil stocks and to see what kind of them are good and what kind of them have the strong shares inside. So we will share 4 types of the banker shares with the percentage of the bankers. So the first type is the bankers controls with the chips more than 50% in this market. So we can take a look. If it's kind of this share, you can buy once the buy point appeared. So for example, this one, 5133 Petrol Energy. So last time we shared when the band turns from green to red is a buy point, right? And later you can check their profitable chips is more than 50% now. So it's still very strong and still increasing in uptrend. So you can buy, okay, when the buy point appears. Later, when the price drop by to the band and go up again, is your another buy point or added portion. And second one, and the second share is 5141 dayang. Also have buy point before, and now their bankers more than 50%. You can check the percentage numbers from this side, and within 75 days you make money 60% in the current market. Of course, it's not bad. So actually, I've got 6 of them, and anyone, if you want to see the rest of them, you can WhatsApp me the bull share, and I will send the charts to you. Okay, WhatsApp the bull share to the WhatsApp 011 1652 7962 to about the bull share. I will send you the charts of them. Okay, let's go to the second type. They got bankers but not enough because the percentage of bankers are less than 25%. So you can buy but with less portion, okay, with less portion. So we can take a look about 5132, the loom. So this share is just start up, but actually it's not, momentum is not enough, right? 26% in 17 days, not bad, but actually later, if you want to make bigger money, you need to make sure their bankers can reach 50%. Now it's around 25%. So, and the third type is the retail investors are decreasing. However, the stock price also dropped to the previous low price, okay, low price, but bankers haven't entered yet, so we can put it into our watch list, okay. And we can take a look about this one, 5681 Petronas Dagan. So recently have buy points, but actually the retailers decreasing, but no bankers in. So from their history, we can also check there are very small rebound, right? Because there are also no bankers here. So next, if still no bankers entry, so this will be just a rebound. You should sell earlier. Okay, the fourth type, the retailers controls and the price still in downtrend. You should get away. You should run away, right? For example, this one, Hengyuan 4324. This share is in crazy downtrend, and there are a lot of green retailers here. So the good thing is that you choose a rebound sell point and then take your profit soon. Okay, so this method can also apply to other sectors, okay, other sectors and other stocks. So if you want to check your oil and gas shares or any other stocks, you can WhatsApp the code number to 011 1652 and 7962. I will send you the chart. And in addition, if you want a more detailed approach the method, will have a session, have a course this coming in this coming Saturday and Sunday. The Mandarin version will be on in Saturday. The morning session and afternoon session will share you this special method, and also share the real master of the stock market, emotional rationalism. And I trust that you have never been heard of this method before, because it's really new and it's really different method, and which is also suitable to the current market. So you can also register with this number and just send me your name, okay. WhatsApp your name to this number, then to get the register, okay, get the register. 5 seats open for free today. Okay, so That's all for today, and thank you very much. Okay, and wish you make profit in the share market. Thank you. Bye bye.